Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your MetroPCS SIM card with a complete tutorial, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Purchase a MetroPCS SIM card from a MetroPCS store, authorized retailer, or online from the official MetroPCS website. Step 2. Power off your phone and locate the SIM card tray, which is usually on the side of the device. Step 3. Use the SIM ejection tool or a paperclip to open the SIM tray. Then insert your new MetroPCS SIM card into the tray with the gold contacts facing down. Step 4. Carefully push the SIM tray back into your phone until it clicks into place securely. Step 5. Power on your phone and wait for it to detect the new SIM card, which may take a minute or two. Step 6. Visit the MetroPCS website or call MetroPCS customer service at 1-888-888-63-88-768 to activate your SIM card. Step 7. Provide your account information including the SIM card number, phone number you want to activate, and any required personal details. Step 8. Follow the activation instructions provided by the representative or website and wait for the activation process to complete. Once activated, restart your phone and test your connection by making a call and using mobile data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.